If you're running a window cleaning business, this video will show you exactly how to run your business from one app. I'm going to walk you through exactly how BlueWorks CRM works, the full system we use daily. BlueWorks is built around one idea, from first knock to scheduled job to running your crew and managing your customers, all in one place. I'm going to show you that flow step by step. Everything, of course, like in real life, starts inside the sales step, specifically the map. This is where door-to-door happens. You can create territories and assign sales reps to them, so it's easy to manage everything. As you or reps knock doors, they can instantly create leads on the map. All leads are fully customizable, and you can customize them in settings. For example, squeegee icon for window cleaning or light bulb for Christmas lights, and others. Inside each lead, you can actually add everything you need in real life. Name, phone number, appointment date and time, how long the job will take, the quote, notes, and even photos to the notes. Everything window cleaning business would actually need in real life. Then the most important part is that you or sales reps can assign leads to available technician, which was a really big problem for us. My sales guys were constantly texting me things like, who's available, what times are open, can we fit this job in tomorrow? I was answering the same scheduling questions every single day. So in BlueWorks CRM, sales reps can clearly see technician availability in real time. You can see it both when assigning job to a technician or in the schedule tab. So sales reps know who's free, when they're free, and what can actually be scheduled without blowing owner's phone. And once the lead is assigned, the technician automatically gets SMS and email notifications that the job has been assigned to him. Next is the leads section. Here you can add leads manually, search leads, filter them, and sort them however you want. Leads are automatically split into upcoming, all, and past appointments, so you're not endlessly scrolling. And when you click into a lead, you can view all customers' information, and you can also see the entire history of the lead. Who created it, when was it assigned, who it was assigned to, and when it was updated, and the whole activity. This is huge for accountability. You always know what happened and who touched the lead. And there are built-in call and text buttons, so you don't have to copy and paste phone numbers anymore. Now let's move to a schedule tab. Here in technician availability view, you can view technician availability clearly. You can scroll left and right to see different weeks, and you can add different people to be on technician availability too. And as the owner, you can also click on the leads here and add or reassign jobs to different technicians if needed. It also calculates and shows driving distance between jobs, so sales reps don't schedule back-to-back appointments. Also, inside schedule, there is My Schedule, which has two views. The list view shows all upcoming and past appointments, so you can just easily open your phone in the middle of the day and see what's the next appointment on the schedule. And as an owner, you can also clearly see which technician completes it, and all necessary details to be as efficient as possible. You can also quickly tap the map button and instantly open directions in your Maps app, and directly drive there, no copying and pasting addresses anymore. Or you also have a quick option to copy and paste the address if you want. Then there is a calendar view. Jobs don't overlap, everything is clean, and if you have multiple technicians, each one has their own color, and all jobs are clearly separated. Just with a quick look, you understand the entire day or week. And this is just the owner side. Then on the technician side for scheduling, technicians can check in and check out of jobs. You can make check-ins and check-outs mandatory and customizable. For example, a technician can check in until they upload a photo of TDS meter. Or for example, they can check out until they confirm they did a walk around with an owner. This actually works like a common checklist and removes a lot of issues with technicians. There are also mandatory reminders for technicians to set their availability in advance, so you don't have to tag them every day and remind them to do it. And you can also customize those too in settings. Another cool feature is that each workspace has their messages button. Team members can message each other, but as the owner, you can see everything. So communication stays transparent and nothing happens behind your back. So you're not worried about your sales reps starting their own business and stealing all your employees. Finally, you have settings, profile settings, workspace settings, custom check-in rules, SMS notifications, availability deadlines. You can add users, create custom roles, and fully customize lead statuses and permissions. And the coolest part is that everything you just saw is part of our most basic plan. And this is the most affordable door-to-door CRM in the entire industry. And we're improving it and have a big team working on it every single day. So that's BlueWorks CRM. It's built to keep sales, operations, and customers fully synced without needing 5 different apps. If you want to try BlueWorks CRM, I'll leave a link down below and you can get completely free access with it. And if you comment the word CRM down below, I'll give you a full month of BlueWorks CRM completely free.